I must defend my father's kingdom. Noble spirits, lend me your strength.
I hope you're ready to fight to the death, little lady.
Of course. Duty above all else.
Ma Chao, engage the enemy as they come. I will head for the stone sentinel maze.
You can count on my spear to hold them at bay. In the name of justice!
Damn, it's over already.
I fight in the name of justice!
So this is to be my final battle.
I fight in the name of justice!
You should have brought your allies with you.
I fight in the name of justice!
You're alone? You must long for death. Is this the end?
I fight in the name of justice!
Stand your ground and face the enemy! How I'm to meet my end?
I fight in the name of justice!
I shall be your opponent. Come!
Shu is our kingdom, and we'll defend it ourselves!
I've let everybody down.
I fight in the name of justice!
So, Wu would attack even the innocent. I must stand here to remain true to my lord.
Liu Bei is dead. However, as long as I still live, his virtuous legacy shall continue. My spear and I will bring justice back to the land. My blade will make you pay for your injustice.
We'd have died like dogs without you.
We'll pay you back by defending the castle!
Mustn't let them. Storm through the battlefield!
Left unfulfilled.
I fight in the name of justice!
If they're so eager to die, then we'll be happy to oblige them.
In the name of justice!
It is an honor to die in battle for the glory of Wu.
I fight in the name of justice!
They're trying to take the base. Stop them! Our work is done here. Strike the main camp.
Just because we're a supply base doesn't mean we can't fight.
treachery shall not go unpunished. Now is the time to crush them!
In the name of justice!
Hey, Sun Quan's banner! It's gone!
Back off before I split your head in two!
My ambitions left unfulfilled.
I fight in the name of justice!
This area is clear. Let's move on to the main camp.
Let us show these whelps how a battle is fought!
I didn't miss anything, did I?
There, now it's my turn!
Don't slow down! Bring back Sun Quan's head!
We shall lead the way! Everybody, attack!
Treachery shall not go unpunished.
Damn! It's over already.
I fight in the name of justice!
That wasn't bad! Looks like I got a little carried away.
I fight in the name of justice!
If we live up to our potential, victory is assured! Now is the time to crush them!
Shall we put an end to this?
They are powerless to stop us!
You face not only me, but the spirit of the entire Sun family.
Victory in this battle is ours.
We'll see who takes whose head. The ambition of the Sun family burns in my blade.
I hope you're ready to see that ambition shattered.
I didn't fight all this way to be defeated here.
Well,
I have let my father and brother down.
I fight in the name of justice!
We defended Baidi Castle and defeated Sun Quan thanks to everybody's bravery and Father watching over us from the heavens. I, however, was unable to do anything. From now on, I vow to become strong like everybody else, to protect this land that Father and so many others gave their lives to protect. I ask that you follow me and lend me your assistance.
A new bodyguard has come to act in your service. This bodyguard is known in one kingdom for remarkable intellect.